how do you set your hourly rate on Upwork, especially as a beginner, so that you get hired fast? If you understand how to set your price correctly, you will be able to land high-paying clients. The first thing to do is to set your rate low. Even if you're experienced, even if you have amazing skills, even if you're very talented. And you might be thinking, but wait, if I set my price low, doesn't that give the impression that I deliver low quality or less value, or that I'm not experienced? I hear you, but bear with me. If you're a beginner on Upwork, nobody knows you. You have not proven anything. I've made nearly 10,000K on Upwork at this moment. I started at about $20 an hour. Even if I was experienced, I have a great educational background, and I deliver high quality and do my very best. However, I needed this low rate to get jobs, to get 5-star reviews. Now I have pages filled with 5-star reviews and I get hired fast. In fact, I don't even apply anymore. I get invited for jobs. All you want in the beginning is to get hired, get reviews, get jobs, get money, get paid, right? Once you have a page of reviews and you've been hired for jobs and you got money coming in and you got some clients done, then it's a time to raise your rate, but not change it on your profile yet. How do you do that? You keep your rate at $20 or whatever rate you have set. You apply for jobs. When the client has chosen you, when the client has selected you, that's when you usually have a conversation with the client. And that's when you can say, look, my rate on my profile is older or is low, but at this moment, I'm raising my rate up to $30 or whatever you want it to be. Now you might thinking, well, that would be a lie. Well, no, because I've done that unintentionally. I literally didn't remember what the rate was on my profile, talking to the client, and I said, look, for this job, that's the rate that I'm charging now. They never made a problem of it because they already chose you, they already like you. Even if your rate is low, but you have some jobs done, you have experience, you've proven you've worked on Upwork, that's when you can negotiate a higher rate, even if you haven't changed it on your profile. The next stage is that you do raise your hourly rate on your profile, and here's why. By the way, if you like this content, please hit that like button and the subscribe button so that I can make more videos for you and show you how you can make more money online. You have a page of reviews, 5-star reviews, you have a list of jobs done. And here's where you can set a higher rate on your profile because you have proven your work. Just think about it. If you compare two freelancers on Upwork and one of them has 15 jobs, a few thousand earned, and their rate is $75 an hour, and another freelancer has the same rate of $75 an hour, but no jobs done and no reviews, as a client, which one would you choose? If you've proven great reviews, jobs done, money earned, that's when the client will know, okay, this person, this freelancer, you can do the job well and is qualified. Now you may wonder, what is that hourly rate that is best for me? And here's what you can do. On Upwork, you have probably now created that freelance profile. If you haven't, then watch my video. You can do that in 7 minutes, okay? And watch those tips that go along with that. What you can best do is create a client profile on Upwork. So just the same way as you did your profile as a freelancer, you create, you select client and then you create a client profile. When you do that, you can actually search for freelancers and see what their rate is. So it's a little bit of a research that you can do to determine what rate and what price is best for you. So let's just say you type in copywriter, then you will look at the freelancers that are available for this type of job and look at their rate, but also look at, okay, are they very experienced? Have they have a lot of jobs done? What have they earned so far? Just do a little research, a little digging, and then you can decide for yourself. Now, what if you have applied for many jobs and you are still not selected? Broaden your search. The thing is that a lot of people, they are very selective and very narrow in their search. So for example, I had a client that I was coaching and she used to be a teacher in English. And so all she was doing was selecting and searching for jobs that were specific in English proofreading. Once she broadened her search, she landed jobs in voiceover, presentations, helping people with their resume, helping people with letters. There is a ton of options out there. Don't be too strict and don't be too narrow. Another tip is to look for jobs that are current. Not jobs, you can see on the jobs how long they have been there. If they have been posted 7 days ago, forget it. Just go for the very current one. Now there's a ton of other ways that you can land jobs easier. So if you want me to make a video specific on that, please comment below. If you're not making money on Upwork yet, then make sure that you watch this video and create an Upwork profile to land clients in just under 7 minutes. I'll see you there.